In this lesson, you'll learn why a sensor signal voltage might get stuck high, what it means for system diagnosis, and exactly how to prove the root cause. A sensor stuck high means the module sees the signal wire at or near the system's upper voltage limit, often 5 volts. This can lock system functions, trigger limp modes, or set circuit high DTCs. But which failure, sensor, wiring, or module, really causes it? The ECU monitors sensor signal voltage against preset high and low thresholds. When voltage stays above the high threshold, the module logs a circuit high code. But the module only knows what voltage it reads, so root cause is still unknown. Some ECUs include plausibility or rationality checks. If one sensor value is implausibly high compared to related signals or physical conditions, the module can flag this as a misbehaving sensor circuit or systemic issue. Connect a voltmeter from the sensor signal wire to ECU ground. With the sensor plugged in, signal voltage should vary with the physical condition. If it stays pegged high regardless, and all powers and grounds are good, you have confirmed a stuck high. Never trust scan data alone. Compare the value displayed on the scan tool with your meter at the sensor and with related PIDs, like other sensors sharing the reference voltage. If several values are all stuck high together, suspect a shared power, ground, or module logic fault. Start with the fault code. Next, inspect power, ground, and signal wiring for opens, shorts, or corrosion. Test voltage at each pin with the sensor connected. If wiring and voltage checks out, swap in a known good sensor to confirm. Only suspect ECU module last. Don't just throw a sensor at a stuck signal code. Open circuits, power or ground faults, and even ECU issues can mimic sensor failure. Prove it with tests, never guess. A sensor signal stuck high always demands proof. Compare scan data to your voltage measurement, check related signals for plausibility, and always verify wiring before replacing any parts. Accurate sensor diagnosis means eliminating guesswork with proof at each circuit stage. Use this approach on every stuck high fault.